Okay, no, y'all go get him. Okay, Moto would have got him on the top. He would have got him on the top. Woo! Okay. Good run.
It's about to go down.
Yeah. Yeah. Sheesh, I got 8, y'all. That boy dead so fast. Okay, water. Woo. Ooh, there they go. There they go. Yeah, like Jack get him. Monkeys. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Yeah. Good guy, good. I'm sure shit to like. Okay. Woo! Go. Woo! Okay, Dario. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we go. Yeah. They getting it. Yeah, we do one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Woo! Woo! Yeah, my God. Woo! Not. Come on back. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Reach. Yo. Sheesh. Okay, good run. Good run. You? On you. Hey, on you. On you. Dario got out there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There you go. Woo. You want to get one? Huh? Ready? Yes, sir. Me?
It's about to go down.
You ready? Oh. I'm like, come on, come on. Oh. Woo! Yes, sir. Well, Jack got the hell out of me, bro. Woo! There you go. Okay, okay. Oh yeah. Jack out front. Sheesh. Cowie out front. Cowie out front. Oh, three-way, three-out.
I took a deep breath. I looked at my friends. I was like, it's about to go down.
Ready? Hey, hey, I'm fat. I gotta go. You heard me? I'm fat. I gotta go. Hey man, that's funny. They both came and got me off. I went on 2. I knew it was gonna be fun though. So I've been getting gapped every time, as y'all can see. I don't think I won a race. I think I beat Dario one time. And I don't know if he missed a gear or what, man. I'm too fat. I mean, this bike has 207 horsepower, but my fat self on the bike, bro, it just ain't gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? But that shot, bro, fast, bro. That bike is fast, bro. It's funny when you see stuff on TV and then you see it in real life. Like, I be watching videos, he be racing like Eve and Jack, and it seems like it be pretty close. You're like, oh yeah, I can keep up, I can do that. And then you get out here and really see what it is, bro, and you getting gapped. Like, this bike is 207 horsepower brand tune. My saying nigga is brand, and I was short shit because I don't know the bike, and I'm 300 plus pounds, guys, so it is what it is. But it's fun out here having some fun, man, running, you know. But it's much respect to these guys who really, you know, dial their bikes in and race them, like Jack, Reed, Dario. I'm gonna tell y'all something right now. Anytime I race anybody going under 280, I'm going on 2. No cap. I'm going on 2, bro, because I just ain't got no weight advantage, bro. I'm just too heavy, bro. So, but this bike is pretty fast. Like, it really is. Like, for real. I want to see like Jack or Reaper jockey it to see what it's like. Body with a little lighter to see what it really can do.
We got to pay homage. I got to bow down to this.
Oh, no, don't do that.
I don't know what the hell he got on his bike. Same bikes. We here and he bam. Every time.
Don't do that.
I got to pay homage, man.
Yeah, put it back on. There you go. Yeah.
He got the crown. He got the crown in there.
Hey, Reap, who your bike tuned by? Who? So it's tuned by True, he said. Got Brock's exhaust on it. Everybody keeps saying this bike is fast, so I'm kind of scared to ride this joint. I'll be real with you. Sheesh. Hey, Okay. Back at home on S1000, man. I start this boy up. Hot as hell. Oh yeah, back on the BMW, baby. Instant power. This thing is loud, boy. Sheesh. Oh, the quick shift way fast on. So, man, this thing loud. Shit. It's loud, bro. I realized though, compared to the V2 and this one, the ride position definitely different. My legs are more cramped on the BMW. I felt a little more long on the Ducati, but it's sturdy. It feels sturdy though. His quick shift feels smoother than mine. Yeah, it feels a lot smoother than mine. He looked good on that V2, boy. He looked good on it. I'm trying to get in. This thing right here, boy. There they go. Woo! Okay, Reap was on them. Yeah, that was good. That was a good run. This thing rowdy, boy. It feels a lot more. Yeah, go back home with this one right here. Yeah, this my shit. Oh, it's the weight, man. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, that was a good. It's fast though. Sweet. Oh. I think Dario came up. Oh, that was a close race. Hey, you wanna go? Hold on. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah. Reap bike feel way tighter than mine, bro. Like everything about it feels tight. Like way tighter than mine. And I can tell the difference in power too. Like his power is like through the whole power band. Mine doesn't start coming in like 8 to 12K. You can tell like Reap bike is one of the fastest bikes. When he's on it, guys, he be right neck and neck with Jack. And when I'm on it, like I lost to Dario and Reap is on the V2, which is way on the power. But again, man, I'm 300 pounds, guys. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Mongus! Hey, Mongus! Switch! You want to switch? All right, there we go. GP? About to ride dead shot. Oh. I'm on dead shot. Woo. Oh. She violent. Oh, he violent. Oh, it's violent. So I can tell the difference, like, so out of all the bikes so far, that V2, Dario's V2 had the best quick shifter. Like, okay, the downshifters are super smooth on this. I mean, not super smooth, but it's a little rough. But this is a 2012 Panigale Reed bikes. Sheesh! Loud as bro. Damn, it's loud. Too bad I'm freaking cramping, bro. So I'm cramping right now, but I can't even get a feel for it. Go away, cramps. Sheesh. Oh, I'm cramping. This thing rowdy, bro. Loud. Raw, like this bike is raw, man. I'm on dead side. Yeah, my God. Oh, he's violent. Oh. These Ducatis are, man, they raw feeling, bro. They make you smile though, man. Jeez, they make you smile though. Oh yeah. But I like the handlebar position. Like I don't feel cramped or like too compressed. Like my arms are naturally bent. Look at it, it's rowdy though. You gotta be smooth on the throttle. Oh yeah. Whoa! Oh my God, this bike is rowdy, bro. Now I'm probably not riding it right because I don't think monkeys be dropping that hard on it, bro. This thing is rowdy. Woo. Oh shit! Oh yeah. Definitely don't like low speeds. Oh shit! Okay. Woo! We made it back, guys, to the hotel. I'm all over the place. I got sweat in my eyes. I can't see. Ugh. I'm cramping. Sheesh. Oh. Okay, hold on. Let me get off the bike. Let me. Okay. Oh, that's the shifter. What a kickstand. Okay. I'll just do this. Yeah. Hard to find it. Oh, hold on.
In my boots, I can't find it.
Yeah. I couldn't find it on Dario bike either. I had to reach down my hand.
Johnny's bad about that.
Bro, this thing is rowdy.
It's very rowdy.
What? bro, that thing rowdy, bro. Huh? Oh, you was out there riding?
You been riding, bro.
Sheesh. Alright guys, so I'm on Dario. Holy, this thing loud.